Anyway, yan uno. Original na sa Bluetooth GPS. OPST. GST 880 po. Ayo, isa po.
Nag-video kami. Ayaw ko.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Each one is standing up. To be again together. I feel like breaking up. It's the time that always makes me cry. Before we say goodbye, I wanna let you know I love you. Thank you for playing my music. Thank you for singing my song. Thank you for sharing the moment. 'Cause with you I feel I really belong. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for being my friend. And if I guess you cross somewhere, I'd like to sing this song again. The Lord your God, each bless and give you. Together let us go. Thank you, Lord, for said. I'm gonna miss you. I'm sure I will like home. Friendship goes on. There's one thing before the day is done, before the night is gone, before the curtain closes. Let me thank you for playing my music. Thank you for singing my song. Thank you for sharing a moment. 'Cause with you I feel I really belong. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for being my friend. I never had you cross somewhere. I'd like to sing this song again. Thank you for playing my music. Thank you for singing my song. Thank you for sharing the moment. 'Cause with you I feel I really belong. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for being my friend. And you were as you cross somewhere, I'd like to sing this song again. And you were as you cross somewhere, and I really yes, I really glad that I could thank you once again.
Hello, my dear Picoy. This is one of the most awaited moments of your junior high journey, your rolling up ceremony. And I would like to congratulate each one of you. From the bottom of my heart, congratulations to you all. Namiminaw na tayo sa iyo. Char. For almost 1 year na magkakasama tayo, nakita ko kung paano binuo ang inyong mga pangarap. Nakita ko ang determinasyon ng bawat isa sa inyo na maging matagumpay. Nakita ko kung paano nyo ipaglaban ang inyong mga karapatan at kagustuhan. Nakita ko rin kung paano ang iba sa inyo ay pinanghinaan ng loob. Ngunit sa huli, ay pinilit pa rin ang maging matatag at maging matapang. Sabi niyo pa nga, laban lang. Yun ang higit na hinahangaan ko sa inyo. Yung hindi kayo basta-basta nagpapatalo sa kahit na anong hamon sa inyo. Sa kabuuan, hanga ako sa nabuo ninyong samahan sa kabila ng katotohanan nandyan pa rin ang banta ng pandemya. Hindi lang basta kaklase ang naging turingan nyo sa isa't isa, kundi higit pa sa kapatid at kapamilya. Sana, ipagpatuloy nyo ang inyong magandang samahan kahit saan man kayo dalhin ang inyong mga pangarap. Thank you sa experience na nakaupod ko kami. Sa layo pagiging suruhayon, pagiging pasaway, o pagiging mga kurihawan, still na imod ko kung paano ka maging responsable. And honestly, sa'yo at iyo batch, sa diri ko may nangalimtan sa akong kinabuhi. Sana lahat kayo ay maging matagumpay at magkaroon ng magandang buhay. Sana matupad niyo ang lahat ng inyong mga pangarap. This is goodbye for now. Pero alam ko pansamantala lang ito. Magkikita-kita pa rin tayo at alam kong magkakasama pa rin tayo. Alam ko at ramdam ko na ang bawat isa sa atin ay mahalagang bahagi na ng ating buhay at hindi yun basta-basta mawawala. Kung ang iba sa iyo mag-vlog, maramak na para ito sa iyo mga pangarap. Kaya, Gora Bells ito. Laban, Picoy, laban. God bless everyone. I love you. I love you all.
I love you all. I will be miss you. Basta laban lang. Okay.
Hindi kasi masunduhan. Bikin dito ka rin.
Lagi, Jay. Pwede mo na itay.
Kita, beli ko dia tulis pila.
Bali, 331.
Kalau laban na.
50 lang ito na naman iban. Para sa
Ano? Steven. Wala si Don. Kita ni Don.